Am I the only one who loves seeing this foxy eye trend all over my timeline? It literally lifts the eye, opens the eye, and gives the eye the most mesmerizing look. Let me show you how I'm going to recreate this using some cheap lashes from Amazon. So I basically got these lashes from Amazon. They're literally $11. They have different types. You can go shorter if you like, but make sure to curl your lashes for extra drama. I didn't do that with this look, but definitely you should do that. I'm going to clip the lashes up into 3 equal parts. And then I'm going to take the first piece and I'm going to apply it in the center of the eye with glue. So you want to make sure that you clamp down the lash nicely and lift it up with your hand to make sure that the lash is giving that lifted look. Now you're going to do the same thing but with the second tallest piece. And then you're going to apply it to the eye and make sure you push it up. Then you're going to apply the last piece to the end of the eye. Lift it a bit to the tail of the eye to give the eye a lift. And this is the final look. Try it and let me know what you think. Bye.